Welcome to RGR Programming Hub YouTube channel.
Java strings. Strings are used for storing text. A string variable contains a collection of characters surrounded by double quotes. String length. A string in Java is actually an object, which contain methods that can perform certain operations on strings. For example, the length of a string can be found with the length method. More string methods. There are many string methods available, for example to uppercase and to lowercase. Finding a character in a string. The index_of method returns the index, the position, of the first occurrence of a specified text in a string, including whitespace. Java string concatenation. String concatenation. The plus operator can be used between strings to combine them. This is called concatenation. Note that we have added an empty text to create a space between first name and last name on print. You can also use the concat method to concatenate two strings. Java numbers and strings. Adding numbers and strings. Warning: Java uses the plus operator for both addition and concatenation. Numbers are added. Strings are concatenated. If you add two numbers, the result will be a number. If you add two strings, the result will be a string concatenation. If you add a number and a string, the result will be a string concatenation. Java special characters. Strings, special characters. Because strings must be written within quotes, Java will misunderstand this string and generate an error. The solution to avoid this problem is to use the \escape character. The \escape character turns special characters into string characters. The sequence inserts a double quote in a string. The sequence inserts a single quote in a string. The sequence inserts a single backslash in a string. Other common escape sequences that are valid in Java are Java Math. The Java Math class has many methods that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. Math.max, x, y. The math.max, x, y method can be used to find the highest value of x and y. Math.min, x, y. The math.min, x, y method can be used to find the lowest value of x and y. Math, sqrt, x. The math, sqrt, x method returns the square root of x. Math.abs, x. The math.abs, x method returns the absolute, positive, value of x. Random numbers. Math, random, returns a random number between 0.0, inclusive, and 1.0, exclusive. To get more control over the random number, for example, if you only want a random number between 0 and 100, you can use the following formula.